Hi everyone. Canon has announced the EOS R6 Mark III camera, and I want to introduce it to you in the next few minutes. This camera is a still image and video powerhouse with pro-level performance for serious photo enthusiasts and professionals, hybrid still and video content creators, and the dedicated video user. The R6 Mark III begins with its full-frame 32.5 million pixel CMOS imaging sensor, a 34% increase in pixel count and detail, but with no reductions in its still image shooting speed. This is not a stacked sensor, but its readout speeds are faster than the previous R6 Mark II, even with a higher pixel count, and rolling shutter distortion is well controlled. Action and wildlife shooters will be able to take advantage of up to 40 frames per second shooting speeds with electronic shutter in many situations. New features include pre-continuous recording, up to 20 still frames at up to 40 frames per second, RAW or JPEG, before the user fully presses the shutter button, and either 3 or 5 seconds of video before actual recording is started. These are big assets for nature, wildlife, and sports. Along with added detail and pixel resolution, the in-body image stabilization has been improved, giving yet another boost to sharp images even in challenging conditions. One of the 2 card slots is for a CF Express Type B memory card, giving it big boosts in continuous shooting burst rates and its onboard video recording capabilities, including internal RAW video recording. And autofocus and tracking with fast-moving subjects is even more stable and tenacious than the previous R6 Mark II. The R6 Mark III maintains the same powerful subject detect AF for people, animals, including birds, and vehicles, even at 40 frames per second. For video, Movie Servo AF for moving subjects has been refined with smoother focus transitions at the start and toward the end of AF, using AF algorithms from the EOS C80 and C400 cinema cameras for an even more professional look. Here's another new AF addition, Register People Priority, one of many AF advancements inherited from the EOS R1 and R5 Mark II cameras. Take a quick shot of the face of up to 10 people, and the info is stored in camera. Then, if any of those faces are identified as you record stills or video, AF immediately latches onto them, even in a scene with many faces. It's even possible to prioritize the order of registered faces. This can be terrific for events, news, and even some sports situations. For video, the news continues to be great. The R6 Mark III can record 7K RAW video in camera at speeds up to 60 frames per second to its CF Express card. With compatible HDMI external recorders, 7K ProRes RAW can be recorded. 4K can be recorded at up to 120 frames per second with sound, 2K or Full HD up to 180 frames per second, again with sound. A dedicated slow and fast movie mode allows extensive combinations of slow motion or fast motion recording as well. For the first time in a Canon EOS mirrorless camera, open gate recording is available using the entire 32.5 million pixel sensor area. Long requested by high-end users, this allows both 7K high-resolution recording, RAW or MP4, as well as numerous options for creative cropping in post for social media and similar applications. Canon Log 2 and Canon Log 3 are available for both RAW and MP4 video, and there are extensive custom picture options to really fine-tune the look of video footage in the camera's color and custom picture menus. The fine recording options give oversampled results in 4K for even sharper and more detailed results. The EOS R6 Mark III continues the Canon tradition of superb grip design and comfortable, intuitive operation. Handling is outstanding, and the body does accept the optional Canon battery grip BG-R20 for still or video operation. Video users will love that it now has a full-sized HDMI port and offers features like waveform monitors, advanced auto white balance control, and a lot more. Believe me, we've only scratched the surface of what the R6 Mark III brings to demanding video or still image users. For so many applications, from birds in flight still images or sharp results in the studio to advanced video productions, I repeat, this is an all-around powerhouse of capabilities and performance. If you're even thinking about expanding your camera system, this is a camera you absolutely need to take a long look at. Thank you for joining us today.